When do you make more money on crypto? When the market falls or rises? If you can set aside $10 a day in crypto, then you can become a crypto millionaire. I'm not joking. And now I'll show you how. And such an opportunity opens just when the market falls and the cryptocurrency becomes cheaper. How does it work? Everyone complains and shouts that they are losing a lot of money while you earn. Now I'll show you the results of the experiment when you buy a crypto in a fallen market according to a certain scheme and in a growing market. And you'll certainly see on your own which market you can earn from $44,000 to $759,000 by investing only $10 per day. So let's define that a fallen market when all the crypto is getting cheaper is called bear market. It's because a bear beats its paw from top to bottom and everything falls. And when the crypto grows and all market goes up, it's a bull market, cause that hooks all markets with horns and throws it up.
That's unreal.
Key fact, just when the market is crashing, here becomes redistribution. Why is that? People are emotional. And just at this time, rash decisions are made. And in my free Telegram channel and Twitter, I constantly try to stop people from rash decisions and suggest when it's a high time to buy, when to sell, and when to freeze and wait for the best moment to come. For example, quite recently, to calm my nerves, I have thrown a Bitcoin movement chart when you can track how often it grows. A link in the video description. Okay, back to our $1 million strategy. And one of the strongest emotions that leads to the worst investment decisions is fear. Fear of missing out and the fear of losing hard-earned money. So when the market falls, people get scared, panic and sell crypto because it's scary. It's important to understand that bear market don't last forever. There is always an end and the market turns into a bull market. That's why the best way is to work out a strategy and stick to it no matter what. And here we come to the strategy that will make you a millionaire. Firstly, I'm gonna explain you how it works and then I'm gonna show you all the processes. I mean the DCA investment strategy, as also known as averaging strategy. This is when you buy a crypto for pre-allocated amount with a selected frequency. For example, you buy a Bitcoin once a week on Mondays for $100, no matter what the exchange rate is. So you'll end up with the average price of Bitcoin for the selected period, for example, for a year. That's why we exclude our emotional rash actions. As a crypto investor, you need to make decisions. What cryptocurrency do you want to buy for a long term? How much are you ready to invest and how often? For example, once a week I buy Bitcoin for $100 and Ethereum for $100, regardless of the market situation. In DCA strategy, don't think too much, just stick to the strategy. Just turn off your brain and do it. And you can buy for any amount with any frequency. $10 per day, 100 per week or 1000 per month. And be sure you write down all purchases in a table or service, so that you actually know how much you have earned or lost. I note it down in a such table that automatically calculates everything for me. You can also use such services as CoinMarketCap or Dropstep. And now, knowing the entire base, buckle up and enjoy. Here is the data that leads you to a million. Just look and draw conclusions. Let's turn to already existing data on investing crypto in bear and bulls markets and compare where more earnings are. Let's assume that we have invested $10 per day or $300 per month in both markets, bull and bear. The last bear market in crypto began in January 2018 and continued until September 2020. By investing $10 a day over that period, you would have accumulated about 10K. The last bull market started around October 2020 and counted until April 2022. By investing $10 per day during this period, you would have accumulated 5,330. I got confused and calculated how much you would earn for each of these periods in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. So I have already shown how much you have invested in dollars. And now let's compare each currency separately in different periods. Bitcoin bull market. With a daily investment of $10 from October 1st, 2020 to April 2022, you would have accumulated 0.1676 Bitcoins. At the time of this experiment, it was 6,478 end of April 2022. So if you have invested $5,730, you would have earned $748, which is 13% profit. Bitcoin bear market. With a daily investment of $10 from January 1st, 2018 to September 2020 during the last bear market, you would have accumulated 1.4235 Bitcoins. At the time of this experiment, it was $55,021 end of April 2022. So if you had invested $10,040, you would have earned $44,481, which is 448% profit. Ethereum bull market. With a daily investment of $10 from October 1st, 2020 to April 2022, you would have accumulated 3.8907 Ethereum. At the time of this experiment, it was $11,151 end of April 2022. So if you had invested $5,730, you would have earned $5,421, which is 95% profit. Ethereum bear market. With a daily investment of $10 from January 1st, 2018 to September 2020 during the last bear market, you would have accumulated 46,443 Ethereum. At the time of this experiment, it was $133,001 end of April 2022. So if you had invested $10,040, you would have earned $122,961, which is 1,225% profit. Dogecoin bull market. With a daily investment of $10 from October 1st, 2020 to April 2022, you would have accumulated 366,684 Dogecoins. At the time of this experiment, it was 52,166 end of April 2022. So if you had invested $5,730, you would have earned $46,466, which is 810% profit. Dogecoin bear market. With a daily investment of $10 from January 1st, 2018 to September 2022 during the last bear market, you would have accumulated more than 5 million Dogecoins. At the time of this experiment, it was $769,679 end of April 2022. So if you had invested $10,040, you would have earned $759,729, about 7,566% profit. And now the question is, what stops you from becoming a millionaire in crypto now?